Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana, and today we are going to do a activity. As you know students, our chapter 3 has been finished. है ना? Now this is the time for activity. Okay students, in this activity we do some creative work. Okay, in this activity you have to take a A4 sheet and write on it your daily routine. Okay students, yes, you have to do let's connect on A4 sheet. Okay students, yes. Now I am going to tell you how to complete. You have to make the border in the corner side of A4 sheet, and then you have to make a column for the time. Okay, and you have to make another column for your daily routine. One of the ways in which we keep our list organized is by setting a routine. So that's why we will write our daily routine on A4 sheet. Okay. Now you have to take an A4 sheet and make this format. Okay. You have to make two columns, one for the time and another one for what you do. Okay. What you things we do same things in the morning and in the afternoon also, है ना, as well as in at the night. Okay, we get up early in the morning, है ना, we get up early in the morning. Some students get up at 5 a.m. and some students get up at 7 a.m. है ना, and after that we have bath and we have breakfast. After that we have breakfast. So we have to write these things, these routines in this chart, in this A4 sheet. Okay, this activity is for your daily routine. You have to organize your all things in your daily routine. So we will make a chart, or we will make a A4 sheet. Okay, and first of all we will, yes, you have to students, first of all you have to mention the time. Okay, on which time you get up in the morning. Okay, like you get up at 6:30 a.m. Okay, 6:30 a.m. Okay, this is your get up time. So we will write the time in this column. Then we have to write the sentence of our daily routine. Yes, I get up now 6:30 a.m. I get up or I wake up. We can write either I get up, I get up in the morning, or I wake up in the morning. I get up or I wake up. Both sentences have similar meaning. Okay students, when our things are well organized, then we don't have any confusion with the things, okay, with our work. So we have to we have to organize all the things, all the work. Okay, 6:30 a.m. I get up or I wake up. This slash means or wake up. Okay, after that, after get up, you have bath. You take bath, and before that you brush your teeth, है ना? So we will write 6:35 a.m. I brush my teeth. Okay, after that we take bath. Then we will write I take bath. Okay, after taking the bath, what you do? Yes, what you do? Yes, after taking the bath, we get ready for the school, है ना? We get ready for the school and okay. First of all, we will write the time. 6:35 a.m. I take the bath. 6:45. No, 7. Okay, I take bath at 7 a.m. Yes, students. You can write the time according to you. Okay, you can write the time according to you. 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. I take bath and 7:10 a.m. 7:10 a.m. I get ready for the school. Get ready for the school and you can write I get ready for the taking online classes also, है ना? And after that 7:10 a.m. After getting ready for the school, maybe you all take breakfast. You all have breakfast, है ना? Then 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. After that, you go to the school or you take the online classes, है ना? Nowadays you are taking online classes. You can write I get ready for the online classes, then I have breakfast, and then after finishing the online classes I take some rest, and then I have lunch. After that at 6:30 a.m. you get up or you wake up, and after that 6:35 a.m. You brush your teeth, and then 7 a.m. you take bath, and then 7:10 a.m. you get ready for the school or you get ready for the online classes, and then 7:30 a.m. you have breakfast. After having breakfast, then you have to write what you do after taking breakfast. Okay, students, now I am going to erase it. Okay, then we will write some other work you have done in the Yes, students. After that, after having breakfast, you take the online classes. Then you can write you have to mention the time your online classes, like 8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. I take online classes. I take online classes on my mobile, on my laptop. Okay, you can add this one also. Yes, after that, after taking online classes, then we will write 11:30. At 11:30 a.m. I have, yes, I have lunch. I have lunch. Okay. And then after having lunch, you do your homework, है ना? Then we will write the time of your homework. 12 p.m. or after 12 p.m. Okay. You can write 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. also. Okay. You have to write the time according to you. Like I do my homework at 12 p.m. Okay, then we will write 12 p.m. and we will write I do or complete, or we can write complete or either do. I complete my homework. I complete my homework. Okay. At 12 p.m. I complete my homework. After that, I take rest. Okay. At 1:30 p.m. I take rest for some time. I take rest for some time. Okay. We can write this. Okay. After taking rest in the evening, you have to write your work in the evening, like 4 p.m. we will start. Okay, we will start from 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. I go to play. I go to play with my siblings. With my siblings. Okay. Yes, students. You can write more. Sentences like this according to your daily routine. Okay. So we will read out the sentences first. At 8 a.m. I take online classes, as you did. At 11:30 a.m. I have lunch. Take and have both are as similar meaning. Okay. At 12 p.m. I complete my homework. You can mention the time according to you. I told you many times. Okay. At 11:30 p.m. I take rest because rest is necessary. Because you're getting tired after taking the online classes continuously. Yes. After taking rest at 4 p.m. you go to play with your siblings. Then you can write I go to play with my siblings. Okay, because you are not allowed in nowadays. You are not allowed to go outside to play, है ना? That's why you can write I go to play with my siblings. Okay, write it fast. Have you done? Okay, now I will tell you. Yes, you have to mention the time and the sentences of your daily routine. After that, you have to make the borders. You have to make the borders of your A4 sheet. How? Yes, look at the board. Yes, you can make the lines. Okay, you can make the lines and you can either decorate it, like you can make the flowers if you like. like this. Okay. You can make lines, you can make slanting lines and horizontal lines in the border of this activity. Yes students, this is your activity, and from this activity we learn how to make simple present tense, and how to write our daily routine, and how to manage our work in daily routine. Okay, in daily sentences I did not use is MR. In these sentences, in daily routine sentences, I did not use is MR or ING form. Why? Because in daily routine sentences, we do not use is MR or ING forms. These are the sentences of simple present tense. Okay students, these are the sentences from simple present tense. And simple present tense, we do not use is MR, we use only verb. Okay, we use only verb. Yes, as you see, take, have, complete, take, go. We use only verbs instead of is MR. Okay, this means I take online classes, मैं online classes लेती हूँ. Okay, and remember this thing always, we use only verbs when we make the sentences of daily routine. You have to make this activity more beautiful and send it to me in homework group. Okay students, take care of yourself.